Most people think of assessor records as a way to find out who owns a property. Used the other way around, they are a locating tool, and often a better one. Here is the technique. When you search a county assessor or tax collector by owner name rather than by parcel, you get every property that person owns in that county. Then look at the tax billing address, which is frequently different from the property address. That billing address is where the owner actually wants their mail, and for an out-of-state or investor owner, it is usually their real residence. It is one of the most reliable current addresses in public records because people make sure their tax bill reaches them. Deed transfers add a timeline showing when they bought and sold, and a recent sale with no subsequent purchase in that county tells you they likely left the area. Homestead exemption filings are even stronger, since claiming one requires that the property be a primary residence. Our research team runs this nationally. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.